Good evening. This is the presentation of the Universidad El Bosque with the project about the circular economy in compost system for the waste management clean in the Bogotá campus. This begins with the key processes that we use. The key processes are focused on satisfying the sustainable development objectives. Management system is compounded by 5 transversal programs and 4 processes. The program that we are focusing on in this project is the Waste Integral Management. Implementation of a compost bin within the university in order to treat organic waste with all recyclable waste for having resources for students' environmental master grants. As the normal operation of the system of the waste was not treatment because the organic material was sent to the products of this material has been used in a machine completely for having a diagnosis of the current conditions. They investigate the machines that we have, evaluate the proposal economically, and increases the satisfaction level of the different programs that uses 150 points in the waste category of the Usaquén metric, and this is the machine, and the machine uses 3 million pesos, that is more or less $1,000. We choose the machine, the best machine, and we use of the machine has been used for the fertilization of the gardens and the green areas, and with this product we can obtain better conditions because there are not bad odors, and the posting process is made up of 4 phases: very fast decomposition products, slow decomposition products, very slow decomposition products, and other materials. Of the first phase are fresh leaves, grass, debris, and young weeds. Examples of the slow decomposing materials are fruit, vegetable bases, old flowers, weeds, bags of infusion and coffee, and pots plants. Examples of very slow: autumn leaves, sawdust, and untreated wood chips, and fruits, for example, eggs, shells, and other materials. Are wood ash, cardboard, egg cartons, napkins, paper containers, and newspapers. Those are materials that we use for having a better compostage material result. All these materials are generated from the food of the students and the professors, and for the food concessions or restaurants that we have inside the Usaquén campus. The restaurants that we have inside the university produces the bigger quantity of waste in food, and these materials has to be recycled, and we have the company give us technical support in the elaboration of the composting system and support in the operational area, and gives training to the operating personnel. Now we have the operator of the waste management system, that is the company Diamante, and this company works together with the university and all the units that manage the waste, and and produces a good result. This operation is a joint venture between some units of the university, from the rectory, the presidents of the university, and the administrative presidents of the university in the unit of environmental unit. The joint venture gives us the possibility to connect the operation of the waste with the operation of the financial process in order to connect them in the production of the collecting of the money for having the circularity of the process. The circularity of the process is important for having the responsibility project of the Universidad El Bosque in research of improving the environment of the communication surrounding the institutions. For example, by means of the work of the operator Diamante in the near quartier or popular quartier of San Cristóbal Norte, they guarantee that the collection of the waste are not lost, and that are producing the money for giving us the grant. So in order to retain the value of the composting process, it is important to have the communication between the units and the complete processing of this communication and collecting the money with the entities, the sellers and the buyers of the waste. The implementation of this composting project will allow the university to manage and take advantage of its organic waste, which represents more than a third of the waste generated within the university. This treatment is one additional step on the part of the University El Bosque toward a circular economy model, allowing also to increase the levels of satisfaction in the different programs and audits of which University El Bosque is part of the environment issues, such as the UI Green Metric ranking of the PREAD, the Program of Excellence in the Capital District of Bogotá, certification by the Secretary of Environment of the city. In this way, we do our best in the key processes by means of the Sustainable Development goals, by trying to get to retain the value of the waste, and to give students the opportunity to study the master and other programs related with the environment, in order to have the environmental management system working as we prevent and we promised to the society. This is very important for us, and this is one of the reasons because we consider that we are trying to get the por una cultura de la vida, for a culture of life, sustainability, and better work. Thank you very much for Professor Riri, United, all the team of Universitas Indonesia, and all the work in the Taipei University that they are doing for us in this international workshop that we are giving to our students in Colombia and all in Latin America. Thank you.